Fucking Liam. Can't always get stuck, you know. I can't get stuck. Fucking Liam. Shoot.
Wait. Alright, go. Firing!
Holy shit!
There you go.
There we go, we're good.
Give her deck, baby.
Was your windshield always cracked?
Yep.
The guy I got it from put a lighter on there. It was middle of summer and the lighter exploded and the gas started on fire.
Holy shit!
Yeah, I see that.
This is terrible.
Give her some dick, you pussies.
Hold on. Hold on, Bowden. Holy shit.
It's like fucking... It's like going tubing, except way more dangerous.
This is dangerous. I won't drop it.
Give her some caution to the left there, yeah. Hey buddy, you're kind of crooked.
Holy shit.
Just like that, fuckwit. Go left. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Here, let's stop up here. I want to see the view.
Yeah, stop the top.
Stopple vessel. Dude, we can fucking duck here.
Yeah, what's that?
Fucking made her up here, boy.
Dude, there's ducks. Oh shit, my hat. Hey, take the pro. Take it.
What the fuck? What? Get the shotgun!
Get the shotgun, baby!
Dude, why didn't we just fire?
Oh,
We could have shot over here.
Yeah,
We should have shot off here.
Fuck that though.
That would suck though.
Because we drop a,
line right there.
we
No,
drop a
seriously, I
shell
see a
and it
duck
rolls
out
all the way
Yeah,
down.
it's a duck right there and there's two over there.
That's not a duck there, homie.
See, it goes all the way back up there too. Dude, you guys should come here in the winter time. Me and my dad brought our Jeep over here, freaking whipping shitties right on the ice.
we still bring our wheelers out here too.
Oh yeah?
Go get a wheeler.
Dude, we should go before hunting. Fucking go like a weekend before we go hunting.
Sure, maybe we'll see.
Oh.
Hey, wait!
Wait! It's great!
Alright, give her deck.
Oh shit, we're gonna get in a car accident. Give her dick, boat! Trey!
Pussy!
Oh shit! Hit the jump!
You guys go.
Just wait! Just wait! Did I get that?
Fucking good.
Did I get that? Did I get that? I hope I got that.
I didn't think I was sir. Are you filming that shit?
Are you okay?
I'm good.
My hand. No. You guys good?
Oh, just wait, let me fix this. Oh shit, there's water everywhere.
Everything's fucking.
That shit's going on fucking you. We got air.
We got,
Fuck, we got air.
oh man.
Off the ground. All right here. was like, you know what? I better stop. You guys good?
Yeah, that was fun. I told you, it's the way more dangerous version of tubing.
I hope we,
This fucking shit's going on YouTube.
I'm scared of that thing's gonna hit us though.
Yeah, the fucking thrower.
I thought everything was gonna come through the
Dude,
cab door.
we should unload all this and just fucking go.
That's why I wish Tucker came back so I can go fucking hit that hole. I might say fuck it.
I feel like we should be about done here.
What?
Okay, we're not doing that again. You know what? Fuck it. Let's do it again.
I'd say we unload all this and have me loading back there.
I mean, definitely take out the launcher. Take out the cooler.
Yeah.
The cooler's not even strapped out.
Launcher, cooler, grill.
We can.
Yeah, let's go back.
I'm so glad I put gas on.
Yeah. Fuck, how much do you have left?
Half tank.
Really? We could also empty my truck and roll.
A little less than half. Well, let's fucking go then.
Maybe, we'll see.
I'm hopping in this thing.
I'm getting in the back still. I ain't no bitch. I ain't no bitch. Yo, traffic cone, steal it. Steal it.
Grab it. Look at traffic cone right there.
Yeah. Hey. Stop. You fucker.
The front end of the truck bottom down.
Really? Whip this bitch.
Holy shit.
Hit that Yui, baby.
Why did I go right here?
You tell me. Fuckwit. Oh, we're stuck. That whole bitch just.
grinding the drivetrain.
Oh, that's fun. That's fun. Oh yeah.
Oh, we almost fucking died. Nobody's telling anybody that.
Yeah, no, we never. Barely any of this trip actually happened.
To us and Tucker.
This.
Should we go back and...
So little of this trip ever happened. Yeah, I feel like we should start heading back now, though.
Oh, fuck yeah.
What did you do?
Get out, look at this shit. I'm fucking hitting that.
This doesn't sound like a good. You're gonna get stuck. Motherfuckers have already gotten stuck. Look there.
So bad.
People have still already gotten stuck, and this thing is a piece of shit.
Hey, it's my baby.
Hold on, Bo.
He didn't mean that.
I only half meant it.
Hold on, Bo. Just hold
That
on.
looks nasty.
Yeah, it's fucking mud.
Yeah, we're good.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
Good. I feel like you're, what's ahead?
What?
I'm just looking what's ahead.
Oh, not much.
Oh shit, I know where you fucking are. Yeah.
Give her some cock, you fucking bitch. Alright. Fucking it. I swear to God, you get this fucking Dodge Dakota stuck. We are fucked. We are fucked if you get us stuck. Cause there's no shot the 5.9's pulling this thing out. This heavy bitch. Oh, baby.
Oh yeah.
Can you?
I was gonna do that.
No, you're gonna kill us.
Whoa, that is a Cherokee 4-wheel drive.
Fucking Cherokee. Fucking Jeep.
Jags,
Jeep's such a Jeep's such a shit company, honestly.
No, Jeep Cherokee.
Like they have nice cars, but they're such a shit company.
I would love a Jeep Cherokee though. Older one, jack it up, put fenders on it.
Yeah, look how many people running around there.
Jack it! Jack it!
Check it.
Just run it!
Oh yeah.
I thought this was a rally car. Let's go.
Rally car.
What did I tell you, pussy? All right, let's not die. Oh, his head fell. Hold on. Hold on. No, absolutely not. That's so deep. That's so fucking deep. That water over there? We for sure can. Over here is the road.
I don't think we're gonna be able to get through that.
Don't hit Trey. Over here is the road.
I ain't true.
Fuck, I forgot. I'm bad at names, man.
Yeah, take a right.
Yeah, just go right there.
Tucker's truck will be off here.
Yeah, Tucker would be fucking straight through that.
This is the most off-road I've done with this thing.
You can see it over there. Ooh. He's just sitting on the water. I'm sitting on your table. The one that we used as cover when we blew up propane tanks.
Oh, God, no, ain't hitting there.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, you are.
I don't want to get this thing stuck in.
You're fit.
I can go straight down.
You'll fit. Where are you going?
I want to see if there's, I think there's a cliff right here.
Ooh. I just bent your mirror way back.
Oh my lord.
Oh, I did not want to go over that in the bed. Not in the bed.
Fucking freaking drive through. We can make it to that. We can't make it.
Can you? I feel like you can't.
I feel like I can.
I feel like you couldn't.
No, don't risk it.
I'm just gonna turn around here.
What's this way? What's this way?
I want to see if there's water in here. I don't know if I can make it up though.
True, actually.
Oh my God, we're never gonna fucking forget for that.
You fucking just killed me.
I would care more. Oh shit, no, wait, no, that.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, yeah, we can make it.
Ah.
There's the highway. Yeah, I hear it.
I know how to get to this road from down there.
Okay, let's try this maybe.
I'll get fucking weird. You can tell people got stuck right there.
Yeah, so many people have gotten stuck right there.
Shit. Huh?
Are we just walking now?
Fuck no. You go get my truck.
We're gonna
Bring
keep
it over,
we're
bring
gonna
it
keep
over.
walking.
Just turn around. Should I just turn around and come down this way?
Yeah, bring it.
Is there a way down that way? Is there a way to get up
you
here?
know there's those whoops were before we came back here?
Oh yeah.
That's where they go.
We're gonna go up there, bro.
You
Alright.
guys get lost.
Yeah, we're gonna get lost. That's all right.
Imagine we flush like 50 grouse.
Yeah, if only we had fucking ammo right now. And my license. I don't have a
Yeah,
license.
when we go up there, I'm gonna see if my dad will let me bring like a self-protection firearm because there's bears, there's wolves, and there's
Right,
coyotes up
yeah. That's what I was gonna say. Like, we should bring a rifle just in case a bear comes
there.
at
Like
us.
30 my saddle rifle.
A fucking 10 mil is apparently good for bears.
I think any bullet's good for bears.
You never know. This is nice and pretty out here.
Yeah.
I kind of need a piss.
There's a fucking brush right there.
You think YouTube wants to see the stream?
The stream, us streaming this shit. Yeah, see how quick the DNR catch their ass.
Yeah. Live stream illegal hunting. Come at me, Minnesota DNR, you pussies.
Just put Kentucky DNR, fool them.
Yeah.
Dude, bring a fucking duck boat. It's called duck boat hunting. Oh, I see him.
Is he coming?
Oh, I see him turning around.
Oh. He went the wrong way. Luckily, I'm nice and visible. Can you hold this so I can go piss?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Yeah, just stare me down. Yo! There's a rack of light over here.
Whoa, dude! Is there actually a rack in there?
Some hooligans left this here. We picked up all of our alcohol. We didn't.
See,
we
we're
didn't just
civilized.
leave it.
We're
It's
civil.
like all over this bush here. We don't really have a way to pick it up. So we're gonna keep going.
We're on the highest point in Pennington County.
I fully believe that. This might be the highest land point in Pennington County. Over there is pretty nice.
Yeah, even though it's water. This is a cool place though. I'll totally bring Wheeler.
I do still need to piss.
Yeah, go. I'll follow you. That's great. No, I'm looking. Do you have a 4-wheeler now?
No.
Really?
I was looking at one at L&M the other day.
Don't give them.
No. I was just like,
Because I have one of my mom's. Trey has one. You just need one. A dirt bike, honestly.
I would fuck with a dirt bike. I don't know where I would get one.
Look, Facebook Marketplace or I don't know.
And do you need a special license for dirt bikes or no?
Not for recreational use, not like this. Street use, yeah.
Haul it in the back of Trey's truck or something. Someone does burnouts up here all the time.
Oh yeah.
Because it rained yesterday, which would usually wash all these tracks away. Look at that shit. The waves of fucking plant over there. That's pretty sick, huh?
For the colors of the rainbow. Fuck, there you go.
I don't. I think Trey might have gotten stuck. I'm not gonna.
Or he left.
We should go look.
No, let's go back. Well, he got lost.
He got lost, he got stuck, or he left us. One of the above.
It was taking forever.
Yeah, that or he's going 2 miles an hour. Ooh, fuck. It's kind of hard to get down this hill. Which way do we come from again? And what did we shoot? I had 3 boxes of 25. You had 4 boxes of 25. Trey had 3.5 boxes of 25. So we probably put over 200 rounds down. That's a lot of charges. Good thing it's all going on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
You don't know my fucking name. Nameless commenter. Piece of shit. Who do you think you are?
Your mom.
Trying to report me to the DNR. Like the DNR can fucking touch me. Ugh. Anyway, how's it going, rest of Kentucky?
So when we go wheeling, if we take wheelers up to where we're gonna camp, we gotta make sure everything can fit on the wheelers in one trip. We should bring bungee cords.
When we bring wheelers up to camp, aren't we camping right off of that gravel road? It'll be easy.
Oh yeah, we just drive our trucks through, can't we?
And then we can use the trucks as part of the camp.
Okay. I will set up a little tarp with a lean-to or a tent so we can keep stuff that need to be dry in it.
Right. Because we're up there for like 4 days. From what I saw, it isn't supposed to rain while we're up there, but changes a lot. It wasn't supposed to rain either.
It will be cold, so bring warm clothing.
Something lives on these paths. I seen a wolf track.
We're coyote.
Huh?
We're coyote.
No, it was a wolf. It's bigger. I know what a coyote
Big
track
as a
would flip.
fist.
Yeah, about that. Maybe a tiny bit smaller. It wasn't no coyote.
He lost us. Or, well, where the fuck are we?
Just walking. Just kind of hanging out.
What is that?
What?
Where are you
Wait,
at?
just-
We have no idea.
Trey, listen. Ah! Did you hear it?
Trey.
I backed out and tried going all the way around, but I couldn't go all the way around.
Okay, we're gonna try to go back to where we were shooting at, okay?
I dropped the off.
We're gonna go back to where we were shooting.
I'm going back to where we stopped.
I don't know where that is from here.
I do.
Okay, we're gonna try to make it back there then. No fucking service. Okay, get us back to where we were. God damn it, first we get stuck, now we're lost. Turkey? God damn it, now they know there's wild turkeys. We can't be in Kentucky. Fucking turkeys everywhere, dude. Oh, dude, I had too much. I can't run.
Little bitch.
Your boy's stomach hurt.
Come on, let's go.
I can't run, fuck you. I actually just won't run. I certainly could.
Not that hard.
Fuck running.
I do the whole thing.
Yeah, you're gay. See, look at me, making fun of minorities and shit. We did go left, didn't we? Trey's calling me again. No, he isn't. Yes, he is. Okay. Dude, this is like difficult. I don't have a clue where we are. Oh, there's that little hunting shack over there.
Is either down there or is that where?
I hear them. I'm bright fucking yellow. Hey, Dad. What?
I thought you guys were back over there.
I don't know how the fuck we got here,
Where
but
the fuck's Liam?
hanging out. No, he's right over in the fucking bush there.
Hey, Liam. Bro, I thought we were meeting down there.
I did too.
I
Fucking
couldn't get all the way
somehow-
around. I stopped until it came to a big hill.
Yeah, we fucking.
Then I came back over here. Then I left again. Then I came back over there again. I thought we were over there.
We got stuck, man. And then we got lost, so we just
We did not get lost.
kind of walked. All
I
right,
had no clue where the fuck it was.
step on her, sexy.
Come on, big mama.
Hell yeah, brother.
Wait for his tailgate to just give away.
Yeah, the fucking.
He was cracked.
What is it? 86 tailgate.
89.
Don't get stuck. Hit the gas, you fucking idiot. Go back to the shoot site. Go back to the shooting spot.
Got it! Oh shit, hold on. Hold on!
Ooh, fuck.
Hold on, Bowden!
We're good.
Race!
Oh, that bottomed you out bad. You fucking psycho bitch.
I didn't see shit.
We're gonna crush your weed whacker.
I flew like 4 feet. You guys didn't actually. We should just strap it to that door window facing us.
The camera?
Yes.
No.
Holy shit! That was.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Hold it so it's
For
us.
27 minutes.
Trey, you better hit that.
Hey, fuck. No, don't hit that jump again. We're gonna die. We're gonna perish.
There's water everywhere.
Yeah, it is the middle of a fucking forest. After all.
That was fun.
Can't wait for DNR to come out of nowhere.
What are you guys doing back here?
Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
Not in. With what? Rear wheel drive?
Rear wheel drive?
What's he doing?
What are you doing? I don't support this decision.
I do.
There's trails back here too.
I don't.
Okay, can we clear this shit back out?
No, fuck it, go. You can't be a half bitch. You either be a bitch or you don't be a bitch.
If I say go, you go.
Oh, that's fucking great.
I'm
What?
just getting peppered with fucking seeds.
What?
Oh, my seat's covered.
What?
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 Seat's covered with that fucking bullshit.
Shut the fucking window.
Yeah, roll the window up, idiot.
We're in a field.
Yeah, we're in the
shit.
middle of a fucking field.
Just keep driving, I'm looking.
This is somebody's crop. Alright, this is not a good idea.
Surfing USA.
Surfing USA. Everybody be surfing. Surfing USA.
Hey, hold.
Hey, that's a sign. What does it say?
You're leaving. This is state property. There's a fucking sign that says you are leaving state property.
Over here is state.
I'm fucking turning around.
Yeah, fuck this. Give her some penis back that other way. Okay, calm her down. Okay, you're gonna kill us. What is the matter with you? Can you not?
Got it, bitch!
Dog. Holy fuck, I can't even hold the camera straight. And we're back. And DNR's waiting by Liam's truck.
Oh man, they're searching it. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, they're actively searching your truck. Alright, just pull in next to Liam's truck.
Yeah.
Let's just chill for a second.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Have a pop. Oh, this is a good way to spend our Sunday.
We go through on mine.
No.
Let's do it.
No. Because yours already got buried today.
V6 is better.
She already got bad luck. You better not push it.
Oh.
Woo!
She's
She still got paint on her somehow.
This is what we're bottoming out on.
No, you were bottomed out on the fucking drive shaft back here.
Yeah, you,
I was?
we heard it.
All the way on the drive shaft.
Seriously?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We heard her just giving against some rocks.
No, you looked at
Yeah, I'm telling you we did.
it. Higher than the brain.
Mine. No, it's mine.
Mine.
Do I have any in my pocket?
There you go.
Boys!
Boys!
Hey.
Get the table out! Fuck that.
Nah.
Mountain Dew.
Should we blow up a Mountain Dew? Is that for me? Oh. Let's get a little
Ready? I think so. I think so.
Let's go find out.
That was the last round of the day.
Bro, that shit was fucking fun. It's a memory book, baby. Did you hit her? Yeah, you did.
Oh yeah,
actually.
I did. I can feel it. I felt one spot that I hit. I hit it with one pellet. It counts.
I wonder what's past that.
Woo! Fuck it, let's go get some food.
Now?
Yeah, let's go get some food.
Who wants to ride an all-iron eagle?
Well, I don't have a license. I don't have a license, so.
What'd you say?